Welcome back. Let's continue practicing how to apply exponent properties. Pause this video, see if you can solve these 8 problems on your own. Then come back and we can check the work and discuss it. Welcome again. Now the first one, we're going to keep the base, subtract the power, and we are done here because we're going to simplify, not to evaluate. The next one, keep the base, we're gonna use 12 minus 2, subtract the power, we have 10. And this one, we can clean up the inside first. See, this inside, we're gonna clean it up first, then we're gonna apply the power to it. So inside we have keep the base, 6 minus 3, we have 3, and we have open close parentheses, and outside we have a power 2, which means we're going to keep the base, we're going to multiply the power. 2 times 3, that is 6. Alright, next one, same drill, we're going to clean up what is inside, keep the base. We're going to minus 9 minus 6, that is 3. Outside, we have 3. Therefore, keep the base. 3 times 3, that is 9. All right. And next one, P over Q. So, outside has a 4. Therefore, P got 4th power. Q get a 4th power, all down here. Oh, here's negative. Therefore, I can say this way. I can say inside we have a negative on top and X at bottom. And outside we have power 5. Therefore, on the top, negative 1 get a 5 power. And the bottom, X also get 5 power. Negative 1, when it has odd number of exponent, it is still negative. Therefore, I can say negative 1 over x to the 5th power. Okay, we're going to put our solution in the bubble right here. And how are you doing so far? I hope your answer is great. If you have any confusion, please visit the previous first 2 videos. All right, let's look at this one. X has 2 power, outside has 2 power, so we're going to multiply these 2 powers. X has 4 power. 3 has 1 power. Yes, yes? All right. So 1 times 2, 3 has 2 powers. Why don't we say 3 times 3 is 9? All right. And Y has 3 powers. So 3 times 2, that's 6. You might want to say earlier you said we did not have to calculate 16 to the 2nd power, but why you don't write 3 to the 2nd power? It is because it's so simple, so fast for us to figure it out. So we just say 3 times 3, that's 9. So we write down 9 times y to the 6th power. All right. This one, last one in this row, okay? So 3 already has 1 power, 1 times 3, so 3 has 3 power, and x has 5 power, 5 times 3, 3 times 5, 15, 5 times 3, 15, so 3 to the 15th power. Oh, excuse me, except it's not 3, it's x. It's x. Okay. All right. And the next one, 7 has 1 power. 1 times 3, that's 3. 7 has 3 power. And y already have power 2. 2 times 3, y is 6. Okay, let's see if we can clean up the house here, okay? And 3 times 3 times 3, that's 27. So the rule is if the number is not too big, go ahead and calculate it, okay? And 7 to the 3rd power is 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times another 7, that's 3, 4, 3. Okay, that's good. And y to the 6th power. All right, we're going to put our solution in the bubble.